Hey everyone, this is Sean, the What's Up Dude. We're in Pontiac, Illinois, and this is an exciting car show on Route 66. Buckle up, and you'll see some cool cars and have a fun ride. This is Sean, the What's Up Dude.
Do this. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? Thank you. It's a
And as the cars are entering, the American flags are shown here, representing America. Come over here. All right, right here we have a 1956 custom Royal Lancer two-door hardtop. And this was purchased new in 1956 by Ruth Davis Olson of Billings, Montana. And so this is a beautiful car, and they even have a little car hop window where you would reminisce old diner from an old. Classic features. I finished the race 24. This is the 1938 Coupe Dodge Brothers. And we have a beautiful Pontiac right here. This is Mike's Firebird, 1962 to 2012, and Kyle's Engine, 1980 to 2025. And this is a Chevy Corvette. This is a classic Chevy Impala 1960s. This is a classic Cadillac. It's a 1989. Over here, this is one of the classic Chevys. Chevy Till I Die is what it says. Bow tie. Here's a shot of the internal engine. And we do have a U.S. Army. Remembering that. We'll head over here, see what else we can find. This is an old maintenance vehicle. We do have some Artwork on the side. Island Bus Company.
This is a Chevy Corvette convertible.
Convertible, buddy.
Convertible.
And here it is. This is a classic piece of machinery here. My son loves Corvettes and wants one day.
Nice steering wheel.
And this is a Chevy Mustang. Look at that engine. 289 cubic engines of raw power. This is another Chevy convertible Corvette.
A wire on the middle and some buttons.
By the old motel, you wore my jacket and you look so swell. We dance slow.
Old Chevy pickup truck.
What do you think about this one, bud?
And old Chevy pickup truck.
This is the inside interior. Right here we have an old Ford truck, painted modern. Back off, partner! Yosemite Sam.
So the engine, guys, right there.
And there's the engine. This is the flatbed truck, model 1941. This is the Trans Am Pontiac Ram Air motor. I actually had a Ram Air motor myself. This is from 2001. Right here, this is the DJ booth. JD's DJ service. If you want someone to DJ for you, check them out.
Texas towns and desert heat, but your laughter made.
One thing to point out, we have Honest Abe standing next to the American flag. Perfect for a sunny day in America. This is the Power Tour 2012 Pontiac. And we got a Route 66 pillow in the back.
Touch the land, barefoot lovers hand in hand, we're riding down the road.
This is the 1971 Plymouth Duster 340 series.
Look like
This right here is the 1978 Ford Mustang King Cobra. Better watch out way in the road or you might get bit.
this.
Ratitude. Look at this old Roadster here. Has a V8 engine in there. This is a Ford. And 1934. 1955 Crown Victoria Ford. What a beautiful piece of machinery this is, and this is the interior. These are when cars were cars, and they ran for miles and miles without any issues. Some of them at least. And we got the red interior on this one. This is the Chevy Impala. And we have the food stand just like we were in a drive-in. Hot dog, hamburger, and a couple ice-cold Coca-Colas. Right here we do have a Chevy truck. Flat back. And here's the interior of this one. This is the Comet. This is the beautiful convertible Sunliner. This is the Chevy Bel Air 1957. Take a step back in time to American muscle. This right here is a Ford Roadster. And then this one is a Chevy, very similar model, but different manufacturer. There's the inside.
Arizona stars lit up your face, and California called us to that place. We kissed where the ocean touched the land. Barefoot lovers.
Here's another one right here.
Stars above and wheels that shine, baby. Route 66 feels mighty fine. Oh.
And this one was customized, and my son says it looks like the one from Cars. 1954 Chevy Custom. And they even have a shifter that looks like a flaming skull. This is a Ford Mustang, Dark Horse. This is a Ford Mustang Mach 1. This is the LaSalle, beautiful, dark black. This is the Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. This is a Super Sport by Chevy. This is the Impala. This is a beautiful red 1967 Dodge Charger. They don't make engines like this anymore. This is a Chevy Camaro. Here's some information on it. This is the 1968 Mercury. It's a Cougar. This is the 1320. Here comes one of the Corvettes driving up. And right here we have a beautiful Volkswagen. Twisted Machines. It's got some unicorns in here, which my niece would love. Bug. Plymouth. This is a 1975. This is a 1970 Oldsmobile. Cutlass Supreme. And we got a couple of my cards on the car. 1929 Model A Ford Town Sedan. This is the Chevelle SS Series. 1934 Ford farm truck, flathead Ford V8 engine, manual transmission, Fred H. Seaman and Son from Chenoa, Illinois. And we have a classic Chevy model. This is a massive 1979 Ford Bronco. This right here is the Pontiac Solstice from 2007. 1963 Chevy Impala SS Series. It's the GTO. This is the Chevy Mustang.
All right, I got my tape, so the first door prize is given away.
And while we're here, they are giving away door prizes and special things. This is the 1975 Chevy Vega. 1970 Chevy Nova. This is the Ram Air GTO model. 1978 Trans Am. This is the 1940 Chevy two-door sedan. Shot of the engine right here. And this is the 1961 Ford Unibody twin turbo engine. Give you a shot of inside. This is a 1957 Ford Country sedan. 1970 Pontiac Safari Edition. This is a Bonneville 455. 1962 Chevy Suburban. This is the Trofeo. And then over here we have the Chevelle, beautiful blue. This is one of my favorite colors on a car. And we got a Ford Mustang. This is a Corvette convertible. This is a Ford Mustang. And this is another Ford Mustang, but this is one of the ones that is the official pace car of this 63rd annual Indianapolis 500-mile race. It ran May 27, 1979. This is a 1997 Dodge 3500. And this beauty right here, rocking in red, is the Chevy Bel Air. This is the Chevy Custom Deluxe 10 Series. This is the Pontiac GTA Trans Am. This is a Chevy convertible. And then we got a Chevy truck, an old pickup, Chevy 10. It's Tigger! It is a Dodge truck featuring Tigger from Winnie the Pooh.
We'll ride down the road with the wind in our hair, breaking on it like just don't care.
Right here, this is the beautiful El Camino. There's one of the roadsters going down the road. And here's another one of those roadsters coming in. All right, that was all for the car show. I hope you enjoyed. And we'll see you next time. In the next video, I'm actually going to be doing a food review of a local place right next to the car show on the same day. So next video, stay tuned and you'll see that. For now, this is the What's Up Dude. Till next time. Please like, share, and subscribe so that I can explore new areas and go to more places in the future.